Welcome to Quick Literature Academy. Subscribe and press the bell icon for more literature videos. Gender in 18th century. In the 18th century, men and women were considered to be naturally distinct in their characteristics, and this idea was engraved deeply in society. Men and women had different bodies, so they were of the thinking that they were made for different roles. Men were considered to be the stronger gender, and women were considered weak and governed by emotions and were expected to be chaste, modest, and be compassionate. Women were passive in nature, and men were considered to be aggressive. Men were depicted to be prone to things such as selfishness, violence, and stubbornness, while the sins of women were considered to be the result of excessive lust, passion, shrewdness, and laziness. These perceived weaknesses and virtues were the basis of the societal expectations from both genders. Women and their properties were considered to be the property of their husbands. Men earned the bread while women took care of the home, raising children and doing chores. Women writers were scarce, with the exception of a few who broke the gender norms.